Green has been taking over for the 99 and the 2000s. I'm a bit of a psycho, or a croissant. Ain't that how Russell said it?
A buttery chocolate croissant. Croissant.
A piece of bread. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today is going to be yet another haul. I went to Homegoods, found some home goodies, and we're just going to jump right in. I'm not going to do any rambling because, yeah, y'all need to see this. Okay, so first up, I had to kind of switch up my whole design plan for my filming room slash my Drea layer because I found my dream table. If you missed my last video,
where was your antennas?
Yeah, you might want to, after this though, don't click off, finish this and then go back and look at that. But I shared this amazing find, the best find yet, $50 Viola Calcutta marble coffee table. I still am in shock. I rescued her. She was very dirty. I think they were using it outside. So I'm still kind of cleaning and getting all the little nook and crannies. So let's say the nook, is it the nooks and crannies or the nook and crannies? Every nook and cranny, I think that sounds right. Every nook and cranny with these wipes I found, and yeah, so off that, I'm rambling. I needed to find some pieces that would play off of the marble but not take away from it because she's a showstopper. So I found these pillows at Homegoods. This was $34.99 from the brand Venetia Home. At this point, I have so many colorways of this same pillow. It's ridiculous. See what I mean?
You crazy as hell.
But they're all so different and so good, serve different purposes. I can switch them up and pair them up every kind of variation you can think of and it'll look good. But I had to get this because not only can I use it in my filming room, I can use it here in my bedroom because I have this brown mocha color going on in here. So like I said, it's by Venetia Home and it's just gonna look so good up against that marble. This is just a marble base. I've shared this with you guys before that I keep on my coffee table here in my living room. But you see how, hopefully you can see it. You see how the purple tones kind of play off each other and the brownish tones? I think that's so pretty. And my table is kind of a vintage feel, like the cuts on it gives it that vintage vibe. And I love that this has like a vintage print on it, but it's not totally left because you guys know I like to mix old and new. So I think it's gonna be perfect. I got 2 of the square pillows and 1 of this lumbar pillow. So same brand, same colorway. This one's a little bit more expensive. This was $39.99 and I figured I can put this on my bed when I want to kind of switch up the pillows. I love the way lumbar pillows look on beds, on sofas. They're just so minimal and sleek and not doing too much. So yes, it's the same pillow as the other one, but it's a totally different shape. And of course, like you saw, I got the green one as well because I'm a bit of a psycho. Green has been taking over for the 99 and the 2000. I don't feel like it's going anywhere anytime soon. I love how it looks in any space. It's pretty much a neutral at this point. And yeah, it's a no-brainer. Fits in pretty much every kind of design aesthetic, modern, traditional, contemporary. It looks good everywhere. So I had to get this one, but I only got 2 of these lumbar pillows. I feel like when it's spring and summer, if I want to kind of get away from the brown that's in here, I can just throw these on the bed and have still an earthy type feel in my bedroom, but something kind of fresh. So same brand, Venetia Home. This one $39.99, and again, is just amazing. It's not too in your face green, like it's not like a neon or that weird turquoisey green. It's a very neutral, like olivey, sagey green, and I love it. Like, I have no words. It's so pretty to me. The only complaint I have, and I've told you guys this before, Venetia Home used to fill these with feather filled cushions. They have since I got my gray one, they filled it with like this polyester fill. But I mean, you can change that out. Get some off Amazon. I think Zara Home sells them too, so that's an easy fix. But yeah, had to get him. Next up is a sculpture. You guys know I love a sculpture, and I have nothing like this in my home as of yet. We're gonna call him Bevo Lottie.
You know, Bevo Lottie got more head than he got body.
No, literally, there's nobody. But I love the calm look on his face. I've seen a lot of head sculptures in every kind of space you can think of, and sometimes they can read kind of creepy or kind of touched, like something ain't right with that head over there. Look on his face is a little bit odd, but he is just so calm. He's so subtle, and he really mimics plaster, but this isn't plaster. I feel like it's wood, maybe? Don't give me the line, I don't know. But he was only $11.99 at Ross. This wasn't from Homegoods, this is from Ross. And he's a very muted tone, a good neutral cream color. Stick this on your bookcase, on your fireplace mantle, on a console table, pretty much anywhere, and it'll make a statement. I love the texture on him. And he has very chiseled features, just a beautiful man. So I had to get him. Very affordable, don't have anything like him, and I feel like this is a statement piece. So head to your Ross and see if you can find one. And of course, in true Andrea fashion, I got some marble pieces. I got some more marble trays. Now, these were amazing. Like, this one was my favorite of the bunch. These were only $8 at Ross, and I kid you not, I went crazy. Like, I bought everyone they had. So I have this one. I got this one and this one. So like I said, $8 a piece, couldn't beat it. They all kind of coordinate with each other, but you know with marble it's never going to be exactly the same. So if I'm like serving and entertaining and have some food out, they'll all blend together even though they're different. But I thought they were a no-brainer. They're heavy, great quality. Like I said, the veining in this is just my favorite. I get that little purplish, brownish, taupish, creamish, all the good stuff in one tray, and I love to use these to pretty up snack time. I put my chai or my matcha or my iced coffee on here with maybe a croissant or a croissant. Ain't that how Rosa said it?
A buttery chocolate croissant. Croissant.
A piece of bread and maybe some berries, and just pretty up and elevate my whole dining experience. So yeah, that's that. Also, I came up with an idea. You guys know I love to repurpose things. I love to stretch my dollar. You can make these out of, you can make drink tables out of these. Like, I'm trying to source a base that's maybe metal, something kind of substantial that will hold this up, because I would say this is a good maybe 10 pounds. If you guys know of any sources or have any recommendations, let me know down in the comments. A lot of the drink tables I have, they either drill like a hole in the marble with the screw, or they're literally just glued on there, like, and that's it. It's not rocket science. So I feel like I can make that happen. I just have to find the resource to do it. Instead of just having these stored away when I'm not using them, just have them as a drink table on the side of my bed or the side of my couch. And yeah, that would be really, really cool. So let me know if you know. Yeah. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope these pieces inspired you and you're able to find them in your locations. Let me know if you have any recommendations or any questions down in the comments. I try to answer each and every one of them. So let's talk. Let's chat. We family over here, okay? Right at the end of the video. Of course, my phone will ring. Are you serious? Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.